Welcome back to another video tutorial brought to you by thevirtualinstructor.com. Today I'm going to share with you a watercolor technique. Some people call it lifting, other people call it opening up a space. Basically it's a way of erasing, and we're going to be creating some clouds here, but you really can do this technique with anything that you want to make either lighter or actually white. There's several ways to open up spaces or to lift color. You can use salt, you can actually wax out the areas beforehand. The method I'm showing you today is actually you're painting with water and then using a paper towel to lift out the color. Now I went ahead and I created a wash in the background, and that wash was a blue wash because obviously we're doing clouds here. And what I'm painting with right now is I've just got my brush loaded with some water, and I'm actually painting the highlighted areas, and then I'm taking the paper towel and just lifting those areas off. And what happens is the paint is reactivated by the water that I'm adding with the brush, and when it's reactivated I'm able to absorb it with the paper towel. Now you can see I'm only working on the side that's highlighted, so my light source is coming from the left side, and what this is going to result in is the illusion of some clouds. But like I said, you can do this with anything. If you want to lighten up an area, you don't have to put as much water, and so you can kind of control the value range. I'm leaving some areas in between the different clouds to kind of create that illusion of space and make the clouds a little bit more realistic. Now, once you've done an area and you've let it dry a little bit, you can always go back and work it a little bit more to take more of the color off. So basically you work to a mid-tone, or actually a lighter value, and then you can really pull the highlights completely out, as you can see I've done in these clouds. Now what I'm going to do also in just a minute, you're not going to be able to see this in your picture plane, but I'm actually mixing a little bit of bleach with some water, and then I'm painting the bleach on the surface to even make some of the areas even whiter. And you can start to see that value change a little bit in this image. You have to be careful when you do this with bleach. You need to be using a synthetic brush because natural brushes will be destroyed by the bleach. Also be careful with things around you because bleach can destroy some things. This has been another video tutorial brought to you by thevirtualinstructor.com.